Hey, it's Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. And I'm going to continue on with optimizing, or how not to optimize, your responsive search ads in Google Adwords. So here's a responsive search ad that I've got running that's actually got good strength. Here's kind of lame reporting we're getting out of Google these days. So if you click View Asset Details, which will show up underneath your ad, it'll change the screen and it'll go, oh look, here's your approved headline. And it'll tell you whether it's a headline or a description and whether you've got it pinned. Now that's something I didn't comment on when I was going through the last video, but you can pin a headline, and that means it'll always show that headline. That's one way you can kind of control your ads. Google doesn't always love it in terms of an optimization score, but this will show you what Google's been picking as the headlines. So it's been supplying impressions to racing suspension parts and performance suspension parts, and it's been picking up these two descriptions out of the assets that I've got. So at least you know what it's been shown to the world. If you click on combinations, this will show you some of the combinations and the impression share that you're getting with those ads. So that's the kind of lame reporting we're getting. We're getting impression share. We're not necessarily getting clicks from this sort of thing. And one of the problems that we have is this line right here. Responsive search ads usually need around 5,000 impressions in Google search top segment over 30 days. So in 30 days, you got to get 5,000 impressions in order to add the performance column. So that's going to be a challenge for a lot of small business owners. So there you go. There's a little tip. Since I talked about pinning a headline, let me just go back to the ad for a second and we'll pin a headline. So this little pin shows up beside here and you can click on it and then you can choose the position that it would show up in. And so any unpinned position means any of the three headline positions, only in position 1, obviously 2 or 3. So you can choose where you want to stuff that headline, where you want to pin it. So that's how you pin an ad. So I hope that helps you optimize your responsive search ads. And if you didn't watch the first video, watch the first video. It goes through how to pick the headlines and how to get your ad strength up in Google's eyes. Hey, do us a digital favor and click subscribe so you get all the new videos. And definitely put a like on this one if you like this video. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thank you.